I'm going to show you how to install your mouse drivers on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. This is useful for people where their mouse is just not working correctly or is bugging out or is not working at all. So the first thing we need to do is open up our search box at the bottom and search for Device Manager. From here, navigate to Mice and Other Pointing Devices and then expand that. And if you're able to identify your specific mouse, then do so for this. Or if you're like me and you have HID compliant mouse twice, just do the following process for both of these. So the first thing you want to do is right click on it and then select update driver. From here, click the top option, search automatically for drivers, which will use the internet to install the latest driver and then see if that has fixed your issue. If it hasn't fixed your issue, right click on it again, click update driver, select the second option, browse my computer for drivers, select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select the correct mouse, click next, and then see if that has fixed your issue. If you're still facing problems, the next thing we can do is right click on it and then click uninstall device and then just click uninstall. And then all you need to do now is unplug your mouse and then plug it back in, and it should automatically install the latest drivers. Finally, if that still hasn't worked or you have a mainstream branded mouse like Razer or Logitech, you actually need to go and install their specific driver software. So for Razer, you want to go ahead and download Razer Synapse. And if you're using Logitech as an example, you need to go and download G-Hub, which again will allow you to download the drivers for your Logitech mouse. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.